Hello everybody, so today I am just doing a spread in my recollections planner. This is a planner from Michael's and I'm using a kit from HTPlanning. I'm just getting to the week of the 2nd through the 8th, which was last week. And so here's the kit. It's a really pretty planner girl kit and I'm just putting down the gorgeous bottom washi. It's a very pastel and girly kit. I'll be putting down the glitter headers and I'm just going to put them down in an alternating pattern. And I was just checking to see what I had done previously with the full boxes.
Like me. 10,000 years will give you such a crick in the neck. Nice to be back, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, where are you from? Baklava. Like me. Hello, Aladdin. Nice to have you on the show. Can we call you Al, or maybe just Din? Or how about Lottie? Sounds like him, boy. Come on, Lottie. Life is your restaurant. Life is your restaurant. Life is your restaurant. Life is your life is your restaurant. Life is your restaurant. Life is your restaurant. Life is your life. Yo, Rockman, haven't seen you in a few millennia. Give me some tassel. Yeah, yo. Say, you're a lot smaller than my last master. Either that or I'm getting bigger.
Look at me from the side. Do I look different to you? Wait a minute.
In that past little clip, you guys also saw me putting down the sidebar stickers, and here I am just putting down that I needed to present in my international business class on Monday. I had a presentation over Burkina Faso and Oman, which is in the Middle East. Burkina Faso is in Africa. And here I'm just writing down my checklist that I needed to get done for school. I just started a human resources class, which is my major. So I have a lot of HR stuff every week. So that's what I'm writing down in that checklist mostly. And I also needed to practice my PowerPoint. And I am using an InkJoy 0.7, I believe. If you ever hear about people talking about the InkJoy skipping, it's most likely the 0.5s, not the 0.7s, at least from what I've seen, and Target's always skip. So I just buy mine from Staples. And here I'm just looking for a sticker that I could use for registering for classes because I have priority registration, so I can register the earliest out of anybody at my university. I believe I go down to the bottom now and I just put down that I needed to email my advisor, and I put this down on a little scalloped, I don't believe that's a quarter label, but I also used an Island Fairies Prince sticker. It's just at the bottom of every single one of her sheets. It's just a little tiny sticker, has nothing to do with what I needed to get done that day. And then I cut up a full box and I just put that underneath of the glitter header above that little quarter scallop box. And I believe I was just probably getting up to go and grab my scissors and my gift card because I didn't have those sitting right next to me. And then moving on to Tuesday, after I get that centered, I'm going to be putting down a 3-heart checklist up at the top, but first, apparently I get started at the bottom first, and I put down this little flag that's meant for the top parts of the old Erin Condren. and I layer on top of it a running shoe from the kit, and I just put that I needed to get done cardio and booty, and then I put this strip of plain washi and a class sticker on top of it because we had my boyfriend's ninjutsu class that evening. Now I go up to the top and I put down a 3 heart checklist. I just cut up the longer checklist to make it smaller because I only had 3 big things to get accomplished that day. I had an international business book chapter that I needed to read, and I still haven't gotten that done. But that's college for you, I guess. And I had an HR quiz and a labor relations online lecture that I needed to watch. And then I just put down this 3 checklist to buy. I wanted to get a planner bag, some sticky notes, and I wrote down glitter, but I don't really know what that means because I didn't buy glitter. Maybe glitter paper? Oh yeah, the glitter sticker paper from Hobby Lobby, the like clear holographic sticker paper. And then below that second glitter header, I just put down a quarter box and I wrote down that I needed to shave my legs because apparently in college I forget to do that a lot. Then I put down a Instagram logo from the kit and I just wrote next to it on the planner that I needed to take some Insta pics. Then I put down well, I wanted to put down a half box. It looks like I probably did put that down. But then I smeared it, I believe, later on, and that half box was so pretty. I was so annoyed with myself that I smeared it because I realized that I had put things down on the wrong day. I had like pre-planned the wrong things on the wrong day, so I needed to pick it back up. And then for some reason the ink was still not dry, and these are printed on just like not regular matte, but pretty much like the same thing as a regular matte. So that was annoying. But I'm just probably realizing that right now that all the stickers that I was going to put on Wednesday were wrong. So at the top on Wednesday on the first glitter header, I used this little glasses sticker from the kit just to mark that everything I needed to get done was for school. And I put down, oh, here you see me moving that around and then I smear it. So then I have to grab a different half box, and there's a balloon sticker that I put on that half box, and that's also from the kit. I just thought this kit was so cute. I'm definitely going to be buying more kits from this shop, probably another one for the week that I'm on. I'm currently doing this voiceover on Wednesday the 11th, so I'll probably buy her kit again. I also really like Paper Crown Planner, but HTPlanning does like the little bowed half boxes and the scalloped, I don't know, it just reminds me of Hello Petite paper, and I really like it. I need to finish up this spread though, because I didn't finish Saturday and Sunday. If you don't know how I plan, I do a memory planning where I do daily planning in either a pocket or a ring bound or a traveler's notebook. Currently I'm using a pocket Filofax Finsbury if you watched my last video. But I have used traveler's notebooks before. I have a pocket and a B6 traveler's notebook that I really enjoy. Pretty much the only type of planner that I haven't loved are the long ones. I like square planners for some reason, so I can write a lot more. Oh, I put down a ombre heart checklist at the top of Wednesday for all of my school assignments. And then I'm going down to under the half box and putting down that it was super windy that day. And I had to, well, it was super windy on Wednesday as well as Tuesday. And Tuesday I had to drive in it. So, because my boyfriend was on a conference call. And I think I marked that already after I moved the half box. And then on Thursday, I had payday, which I marked at the top with a flag. Oh, once again, starting down at the bottom, I just did the same thing that I did on Tuesday with the little flag and the shoe sticker. And then I did the same thing with the class sticker over the plain washi. And then I put down I'm not too sure what I put down next, so let's just watch and see what happens, I guess. I believe I put down the quarter box. No, I put down this large full box because I had to work this day, so I figured that would be the best day to put it down because I don't really get anything done on days that I work, since I do work 8-hour shifts and then I usually have to work out afterwards. So I used one of her half boxes with the bow on top, and then she has these work stickers included in the kit that are glitter, and it's gold glitter, I believe, and I just wrote that I worked 9 to 5 that day. And then I put this cute computer sticker in there, once again from the kit, and I wrote down beneath it that I needed to do some drawing on my tablet because if you don't know already, I own an Etsy shop called JBPlanning, and I will be reopening the shop. I didn't think I ever would, but circumstances make you do what you have to afford things. So on Friday, at the top, I put down a flag and a coffee travel cup over top of the flag, and I just wrote down that I needed to take a shower and do my makeup. That's another thing that I forget to do a lot in college is shower and do my makeup. I always think I could just shower tomorrow, and then it never happens for a couple days. And then beneath that, I put down a strip of plain washi. Over top of it, I put this HTPlanning computer and this gorgeous floral pattern. I usually don't use the larger stickers, but here it looked really pretty. And then I just wrote down that I needed to print and cut. I wonder what I was printing and cutting because I don't have a shop any. Well, like right now I'm not open, so I'm not sure. Oh, I had to print and cut a kit probably to film. Yeah. So on Friday, that's actually when I filmed this video. I had planned on getting it up today, which is Wednesday at 6. That just didn't happen. I put down a So Much Joy Co. YouTube character. And then I wrote down that I had to grocery shop, the icons from the kit, and I put down a 3 ombre heart checklist. I just cut that up from the kit. And I used it for tracking my schoolwork that week, or that day. And then I needed a way to fit in that I wanted to take some time for myself on Friday because I had to work the weekend, so it was going to be a long week for me. Then I'm just putting down the full boxes on Saturday and Sunday. And I am putting down these gorgeous bow half boxes again and marking my work. I worked 11 to 7 on Saturday and 9 to 5 on Sunday. And then I'm going to be putting down well, on Saturday, I'm not sure what I'm doing right now. I'm probably like grabbing stickers or something. I should have like gone through and deleted the parts where nothing's happening. But I put down this Stationery Heaven Co. little girl like studying over her books and a must study sticker from the same sheet. And then on Sunday, I put that I really needed to study for finance. It didn't help me with the exam at all, but I studied for a good 5 hours with my boyfriend. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.